Hi guys, this is an update on the heel compressor. It is finally starting to pressurize my 3-liter tank, and I've got the 3-liter tank hooked up because, man, I've aired up so many guns and I haven't even broken an hour yet on the timer. That's gonna pop on because it's still running, but I am going to say no to the heel. And I'm going to say no because I have been doing this for maybe a half an hour. The tank is up to 800 psi. I'm not really upset about that. The thing about that is, this is a 3-liter tank. That is not a huge 4 tank, but it's still bigger than most, and I think it's pushing the air out pretty good. I've only got it set to fill to 3250 psi. It's a 4500 psi tank, carbon fiber. My complaint is just that it keeps stopping. I bet you it has shut off to cool down. It has shut off probably 7 or 8 times. I've got another external fan running on it to go along with the fan. It shuts off at 75 degrees Celsius and it will kick back on at 65. So it cools down really quick. So I'll film this until you guys hear it come back on. You see that the tank went up probably 80 psi. I know it was 8 something. Didn't even pay attention to what it was. I know it was 8 something. So I'm going to say probably 80 psi, maybe a little less. But anyway, I'm going to say no just because if I had this outside, like in the summer, man, it would be extremely hot. And as you guys can see, I did pull it away from the wall, scoot it away a little bit. I know you guys probably want more, but surely it is circulating, especially with the fan blowing on it. So, for the reason of only that it is struggling with this tank like that. So as you guys heard it kick back on, and it's already back up to 69, 71. It will kick off here in just a second. So, come on, focus, little guy. There you go. So anyway, guys, man, simply because of that, and I'm thinking, you know, $1,000, I have no doubt that it will fill the tank. But that is just amazing to me that it shuts off like that. So anyway, I'm not even going to say that's going to be the compressor of choice, because that would never fill that right there. But it does do guns great. It struggles big time with bottles. But again, just see how quick it cools off. So anyway, guys, just an update on the heel. Short video. Kind of disappointed with that. But anyway, guys, stay safe, shoot straight.